Ideas on how you can start a YouTube channel. Ideas on how you can start a YouTube channel. Guys, I know you have been thinking that starting a YouTube channel is very hard, but today guys, I'm giving you ideas on how you start a YouTube channel and start earning online. I've been considering things to do with online, and I have seen that the simplest thing to start earning online is starting a YouTube channel, guys. So today I'm going to give you ideas. I know maybe you lack some ideas on how you start a YouTube channel and start earning, guys. So the reason as to why I'm choosing YouTube channel instead of other online platform is because YouTube channel is the biggest TV station in the world, being in over 88 countries, guys, and also more than 1 billion people are using YouTube each and every month, which means a lot of people using internet are using YouTube each and every month. Imagine, a lot of people using internet are using YouTube each and every month. My name is Albert Kaboom. If you're new here, consider subscribing so that each and every time I upload a new video, you'll be the first person to watch. Right into it. So the first idea on which you can start a YouTube channel is start a news channel, guys. So you can start, the first idea is a news. You can, if you have done anything to do with mass communication, you can start news channel where you'll be giving news on different areas, guys. So the other idea number 2 that you can start is something that we call a sports channel, where you'll be, if you're good at football, if you're good at any sport, if you love that thing that you love, guys, that is the thing that you should start a YouTube channel, because it's the one thing that you will never get bored doing. Another thing is something that you are passionate about, guys. So you should do something that you enjoy doing, guys. So you can start a sports channel where you'll be giving reviews of football, and some other, if it's athletics that you like, you can also give things to do with athletics. Another idea, guys, that you can do is something that we call traveling channel. You can start a travel channel where you'll be showing people different places as you travel. If you like traveling, shoot a video and upload on your YouTube channel. Another idea, guys, that you can do is something that we call prank. Definitely most of the people are doing pranks, guys, but if you are a perfect person who can do pranks, guys, so the market is there. You can have a lot of crowd because people like pranks, guys. The other idea that you can start, politics. Right now is politics season, so guys, if you follow politics, it's good for you. You can start a politics channel where you'll be giving reviews on politics, guys. So the other idea that you can do is entertainment. Entertainment industry is growing big. It has grown so big. So entertainment holds so many things. You can do jokes, you can do music, you can do comedy, so many things that you can do in entertainment channel, guys. So the other idea that you can do is a lifestyle channel where you'll be teaching people on different ways of living. Lifestyle basically is all about eating healthy, doing some other things that people do each and every day, guys. You can teach people on how to live. The idea, guys, is something that we call education, guys. So if you're a good teacher, maybe a mathematics teacher, literature teacher, you can be teaching people on different subjects on your YouTube channel, guys. Dating tips. So most of the people are looking for tips, dating tips, of course, online. So if you have some knowledge to do towards dating, guys, you can also give people, you can also start a YouTube channel and review channel. For example, let's say you're a good person or you love watching movies, series, you can also do reviews of movies. If you like reading books, you can also do reviews of books that you have read, and so much and so on. So the other thing that you can do, another idea is cooking. So guys, if you're in food industry, you can do a cooking, you can start a cooking channel where you'll be giving people different recipes of different foods as you cook. So you can also take a video. The other idea, guys, that you can do is something that we call gaming. So if you like games, if you like playing video games, you can also record you playing if you're good at it, and also record and start a gaming channel. The other idea, guys, that you can do is something that we call beauty. So guys, so many people are doing things to do with cosmetics. They are doing beauty therapy and so on. So guys, if you do things you like beauty, you can start a YouTube channel and give people, your audience, content to do with beauty. The other idea, guys, that you can do is something that we call farming. So guys, So many people have done agriculture at school, so many people have done things to do with farming. Maybe you are a good farmer, you do poultry, you do maybe livestock farming, or maybe horticultural farming. So guys, you can be teaching people different things or showing people different products, farm products. This is the end of the video. The list is so big I cannot be able to complete it in one video, guys. So we'll also prepare another video for you. So make sure you click that subscription button so that each and every time a new video will be the first person to watch. I say in this YouTube channel, it's all about education, it's all about learning and earning. Thank you very much. See you next video.